the farmhand came in, caught them red-handed.
So the man was caught red-handed. There are witnesses.
Barry? Michael and Dylan?
Yeah, caught them red-handed.
Catch red-handed means to catch someone in the act of doing something wrong or illegal.
Nice. Keep your hair on.
All right, keep your hair on, Grandad. Hey.
Keep your hair on means to stay calm or relaxed.
Stretch out, sink or swim.
One thing Deborah and I are sticking to. Through everything, we sink or swim together.
You sink or swim on your own today, because I'm not always going to be there to hold your hand for you.
Sink or swim means to either succeed or fail completely, with no other options.
I think someone's pulling your leg, mate.
Someone's pulling your leg, Neville.
Whoever told you that was pulling your leg? Come on.
Pulling your leg means teasing or joking with someone.
Maybe it's time to believe a few of those lies. Maybe it's time to look at those castles in the air and keep them there.
If you have built your castles in the air, your work need not be lost.
Castles in the air means impractical or unrealistic dreams or plans.